Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is Wednesday morning and I am trying out my ACE BEAUTE Flare palette for the first time ever. I do have a swatch video on my channel, so you can find that under the playlist All Things Swatches, or I will link it somewhere. I will link it. It is morning time. I'm getting ready for work, so if you're new to my channel, just bear with me. This is going to be a fun morning video. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you guys know that I get ready for work while doing makeup and chatting with you guys. And yesterday was our last Vlogmas video, so kind of glad that's over with. Now all I have to do is finish filling in my spreadsheet that I made with the entries for our contest, our big giveaway, and then we will announce our winner within the next day or two so I can get those items out to our winner before Christmas. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy all things makeup and beauty and skincare. And when I film with my iPhone, my ring light does some wonky stuff, and I did get a message from someone on Instagram with advice on how to fix that. I was just kind of busy last night, so I didn't have a chance to check that out, but I will be remedying that soon. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define for my base today. This is in the shade C2. I have C1 and C2 because I wasn't sure what shade I was when I purchased this stuff. I should have gotten my vanity together more before I started filming. But when you only have a certain amount of time to get a video done, you kind of just roll with it. Roll with the punches, if you know what I mean.
My husband should be waking up soon. Hopefully he doesn't just run over here and say good morning to me in his boxers. Usually he'll get up and he'll say good morning and come give me a kiss and everything. And I'll be like, wait, I'm filming. Don't come back behind the curtain. This weekend, I think I'm finally going to move my vanity into the extra bedroom because I could use more privacy while filming. And that way when my daughter gets cranky, you guys won't have to hear about it. She's so cute though. Sometimes when she's cranky, she'll like come over here with her little teddy bear and want to sit on my lap, and I'm like, I'm filming, babe. And she's, camera. It's so cute. And I was so sad last night for some reason. Like, she stays at my mother-in-law's house once a week, so it's not like anything new to me. But last night I really missed tucking her in. I was really sad. Yesterday, and I really liked the Milk and Cookies shade for my transition, so we're going to do that this morning. This is by Give Me Glow Cosmetics. It's just a really good, it matches my skin tone fairly well. So I'm just popping this in my crease with the E27. This is a really nice transition shade. I really do like it. I like it a lot.
I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to start with this shade right here, Atlantis. That's so pretty.
Morning, I got the clothes out of the dryer. Yeah. I'm filming though, so I wouldn't come over here in your boxers. Love you. I made coffee. That's really pretty. Let me scooch closer. Woo! Didn't mean to do that. My chair just like... I really need to get this lighting issue under control. So this is pretty pigmented. I really like it a lot, actually. And remember, this is just my first impression video. I will film with this again another time. Alright, wow, that is blue. Blue. I hate having hooded eyes. I really do. Okay, so we're just going to buff that out. I seriously, tonight I really need to clean up this mess of mine. This is my Carity E30 brush. I'm just going to buff this out a little bit so it's not as harsh. I already know what giveaway I'm going to do after the Vlogmas giveaway. I just don't want to post it yet because we haven't even announced our Vlogmas winner. But I've got some really nice things in the works for you guys. Okay, so we're going to carve out our cut crease now. And I'm going to use my Alamar Cosmetics. This brush, this guy. This is not my favorite concealer to use to cut a crease, but it will do. I have to purchase some more ColourPop. ColourPop concealer is the best for cutting a crease.
Okay, so now both eyes are cut. And we're going to want to get a fluffy brush. This is my Morphe M433. Sorry, I usually have a tank top on under this shirt. I just had to get the laundry out. I'm going to use Forest Pine. Nope, actually I'm going to go back in with Atlantis first and deepen up this crease on the outer edge. Love this shade. This is amazingly gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to take my, where did it go? Where did it go? This is my Storybook Cosmetics Harry Potter brush. It's just like a flat paddle brush. I'm gonna take the shade Bayberry, put that all over the lid.
Oh, that's pretty. Actually, we're going to use our finger because fingers usually work better. Oh wow, that's real pretty. So nice. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Sorry. I always forget to look up. When I use my regular camera, I usually can't see what I'm doing. So, I just kind of go with it.
My buddy Chase DK on Instagram said that he loves glitter cut creases. So what's up? Hey, giving you a shout out. So I am going to add some glitter liner to this just for him. This is just an Anastasia brush. I want to clean up this and buff it out before we add that glitter liner.
And I also need a makeup wipe to clean up the edges. They look so different. Why do they look different? Too late to change it now, Shan. I see why they look different. Right, there we go. That one wasn't up as far as the other one. Okay.
Alright, so I did some blending, and now I'm going to take Forest Pine, which is right here. on my Morphe M330. And I'm just going to put that right there on the end. Pop that in the outer corner. I tried to make my eyes look the same, and I don't know why I can't make it happen today. I don't know what's going on with my eyes, but they don't want to do the same thing. And I don't have time to start over, so we're just going to go with it. See, this side looks great. This side looks not so great. Ugh. They definitely do not look the same. Alright, well, I'm going to finish my face makeup and let's do this glitter cut crease thingy. I'm using Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay. I figured the gold would give it a nice hint of accent. I don't know if I like it, guys. I mean, it looks fun, but it just does not look asymmetrical, I guess. What's that called when it's supposed to look the same? This side won't do what I want it to do. That looks fun. I've never done one like that. I just made the white balance look bad, didn't I? Well, I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I'm not sure how I feel about the eye look. I could have done better. Oop, there's that bright light thing. This is my new lipstick from Give Me Glow Cosmetics. It's called Cheap Thrills, and I love it. I really like it a lot. It matches my eyebrow color that I wear every day. This is how the eyes turned out. This palette is definitely a force to be reckoned with. I definitely love this palette, but I will have to play with it a little bit more. Maybe this weekend I'll do a 3 looks 1 palette or 2 looks 1 palette, because the last time I did 3 looks 1 palette, my eyes hurt for days from wiping off all that makeup. But this is how it turned out. I just wanted to give you guys my impressions on it. It's very pigmented. I love this. This is amazing. If you guys have not picked this up yet, go pick it up. They're doing pre-orders right now, so you can definitely order it. Even though it's sold out, you can do a pre-order and it will ship.
Which palette is it?
The ACE BEAUTE, the Flare palette. I don't know when the shipping is, but I know you can still order it, and it's definitely worth it. It's a fun palette. You can do lots and lots of looks with it. I wanted to do blue for like a snow ice queen type of look, and I think the different shape of my eyes is kind of what threw me off with the cut crease. Usually I can do a cut crease in my sleep, but this one kind of threw me off a little bit, but this is how it turned out, and I am happy with the final result as a whole. I just hit my funny bone. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Did you pick this up already? Are you going to pick it up now that you've seen it in use? And let me know if there's any color combinations you guys want me to try out, and I will see you guys in my next video. We will be using the Makeup Geek Stroke of Midnight palette next.